Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust BRZ headlights. First, gather your essential tools like a Phillips screwdriver and a measuring tape. Park your car on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct for accurate measurements before you begin. This preparation ensures a precise and effective adjustment. Now, let's prepare your aiming surface. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your BRZ's headlights. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking a clear horizontal line. Then, mark 2 vertical lines on the wall, aligning them precisely with the center of each headlight. These marks are crucial guides. It's time to adjust the beams. Locate the vertical and horizontal adjustment screws on each headlight assembly. Using your Phillips screwdriver, turn these screws to align the brightest part of the beam with your wall markings. For vertical aim, ensure the top edge of the low beam is slightly below your horizontal line, typically by 2 inches. After adjusting, step back and verify that both headlights are aimed correctly and symmetrically. Take your BRZ for a test drive to confirm proper visibility on the road and ensure your beams aren't glaring at oncoming traffic. Remember to recheck your adjustments periodically, especially after any front-end maintenance, to maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.